Today, a test period begins for a controversial proposal on new school bus times in Hillsborough County. The school district wanted these changes to go into effect this year, but delayed it because of all the concerns raised. Well, Amanda Shivari joins us now live from the Hillsborough County School Board. And boy, Amanda, this is a hot button topic for parents.
Gail, it really is. The school board is going to meet here later today. The district wants to change start and end times for schools to increase efficiency. It claims these changes would free up $2.5 million, which would go back into the classroom. But not all parents are on board.
Does that impact what you do in the morning?
It definitely does, because work day for me starts at 6:30. I've had to use alternative daycare, so before school starts and also after.
So let's take a look at that tentative plan. Here it is. High schoolers would start even earlier than they do now at 7:15 in the morning. Elementary school students would begin at 8:35 and middle schoolers at 9:15. Starting today, the district will begin a simulation to test those times with the bus routes. That's going to last through August 25th, and then a public online forum is going to open up. That will run through September 1st through the 20th. Of course, parents and students, you can weigh in online. You can also weigh in at any of the school board meetings. The first one is going to be this afternoon. We'll put the rest of those dates at WFLA.com. And then ultimately, Gail, that board will vote on this proposal on October 17th. And you can trust News Channel 8 to bring you the results of that vote.
Boy, that online forum is going to be packed with feedback. All right, thanks, Amanda. Well, we are now in full back-to-school mode. 8 on Your Side is helping you get school daily through the entire month of August. We'll have news stories every morning to prepare students, parents, and teachers for the new